Great opportunity to own a super spacious 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, end unit, no maintenance townhouse with 3 decks, a patio, a 2-car garage, extra guest parking and a pool in Cape May. This unit is coming fully furnished minus a few personal items for a turnkey transition. The ground floor is fully tiled for no worry sandy feet. There is a bedroom with French doors that could also be a living space, with sliders to a covered patio. A full bathroom on this level makes it convenient and private guest space. The second floor is the main living space with rich hardwood flooring and a tile-floored kitchen with granite countertops, counter seating and stainless appliances. Enjoy the end unit feature of added natural light and soothing ocean breezes. An open deck is ideally located off the kitchen for easy grilling. The open living/dining/kitchen floor plan is the